Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on an out-of-this-world journey to explore the fascinating realm of geostationary satellites. Join us as we unveil the wonders of these celestial marvels that revolutionize global communication, weather forecasting, and scientific research. Geostationary satellites, an essential part of our modern interconnected world, orbit the Earth at special altitude and speed, allowing them to maintain a fixed position relative to our planet. Positioned at approximately 35,786 kilometers above the equator, these satellites appear motionless from Earth's surface, providing uninterrupted coverage over specific regions. The concept of geostationary satellites dates back to the visionary Arthur C. Clarke, whose idea paved the way for this revolutionary technology. Thanks to geostationary satellites, we enjoy global communication, with services like television broadcasting, internet connectivity, and GPS navigation, connecting us across continents and oceans. Geostationary satellites play a vital role in weather forecasting, monitoring the environment, and supporting scientific research. With their strategic positions, these satellites capture valuable data, helping us understand our planet's dynamic weather patterns and contributing to the advancement of science. As we conclude our one-minute journey through geostationary satellites, let us marvel at these celestial sentinels that bridge continents, empower communication, and enable scientific discovery. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of space and our interconnected world, and remember, the sky is no longer the limit.